Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best indoor play tent for boys. The Alprang Space World Play Tent Galaxy Dome Playhouse. This tent is designed to inspire imagination and bring hours of fun, whether your kids are playing inside or outside. Measuring 47 by 47 by 43 inches, this roomy dome tent offers plenty of space for your child and friends to roleplay as astronauts, space explorers, or aliens. The space-themed design is colorful and engaging, sparking creativity in young minds and encouraging imaginative play in a fun and safe environment. Crafted from high-quality polyester material, the tent features double stitching that prevents tears and sturdy fiberglass poles that resist shattering, ensuring durability and long-lasting use. It also has top mesh panels that promote air circulation, helping to keep the tent breathable while allowing parents to peek inside easily. Assembly is a breeze with just two flexible fiberglass poles, so setting it up or folding it down for storage is quick and hassle-free. Plus, it comes with a convenient carry bag, making it easy to transport whether you're moving it from room to room or taking it outdoors. This play tent is perfect for a variety of activities, whether your kids want to read, relax, or engage in active roleplay. Its space-themed design makes it a fantastic gift idea for birthdays, Christmas, or just as a surprise to spark creativity and fun. If you're looking for a durable, spacious, and creatively designed play tent that will keep your little ones entertained and inspired, the Alprang Space World Play Tent is a top choice for any boy who dreams of exploring the galaxy. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product reviews.